Can you say it again? I didn't hear it clearly. Say it one more time.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. And he had a great fall.
And then?
And then all the good horses and all the good men could put Humpty together again.
Good job. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
How are you?
How
Get your foot off. Say, how are you?
How are you?
Say, see you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.